I generally think of KOAs as family campgrounds bustling with activity. But if you actually Google the difference between a KOA and a KOA journey campground, there's a very distinct one. In fact, they're very accurately described as 1 or 2 night stays rather than destination campgrounds. And there's certainly nothing wrong with that. Not every campground is a destination, and you need the stopover campgrounds. And I suppose this KOA journey could really become a journey if you don't pay attention to the signs. They're everywhere in Miles City. There is a low clearance bridge. Pay attention to those signs. And the very helpful staff here will be very quick to tell you there have been incidents. RVers have lost their ACs here. There is a train track nearby, but I'll be honest with you, I don't recall ever hearing it, just the click clack on the tracks, but the trains weren't very noisy and I never woke up at night. So, how do you review such a small, basic campground with virtually no amenities? I mean, this place has a little store, a very small pool, and a little kiddie playground. That's it. But for those of you who know my style of reviewing campgrounds, you know that I'm pretty laid back. I base it on my experience. Did I have a nice time there? Can most people have a perfectly lovely time here? And I think the answer is yes, as long as you know what it is. It's definitely a stopover campground, but there are things to do in walking distance, so it's worthy of 2 nights if you have some time. Pretty sure most of the sites here are pull through. Mine was. It was perfectly level, so I didn't have to, bother with leveling. I didn't unhitch because I was staying for 1 night. Miles City is definitely worth seeing, especially because it's so easy to visit from the campground. And that's what I love about it. It's kind of rare that you get a campground where you can easily walk to a small town and all the sites. All right, guys. Well, if this information's been helpful to you, please give me a big thumbs up. That helps my channel grow. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video. Okay, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.